Kevin, nice to see you again.
Yeah, great to talk with you.
You joined our eighth Food Packaging Forum workshop last week, which we held as an all online virtual event. How did you like it?
It was really fun. This was the first time I'd been able to come to the workshop, and I think it was fun for me as a combination of both just interesting, practical, factual information. Like I was so intrigued hearing about black plastic often being recycled from electronic waste, and the idea that we had to worry about that sort of thing, or uh, like hearing more about bioplastics and the issues related to them. So it was super fun hearing just some factual information, but then thinking about the big picture policy context as well, about needing to think through how much scientific evidence should we actually demand before taking various kinds of policy steps. And so I thought it was very intellectually rich.
Great, wonderful. That's nice to hear. So you mentioned already we were talking about the science policy interface, and you gave a presentation about values and transparency in science. You're a philosopher of science. What was the most important message you wanted people to leave with from your presentation?
Yeah, I think the big take home lesson is that when I talk about values in science, I think understandably, my scientific audiences often say the crucial thing is for us to be transparent about the influence of values or key judgments in our work. And what I wanted my audience to think about was yes, let's be transparent, but then we need to think about how to be transparent effectively, that different kinds of audiences need that transparency in somewhat different ways. And so we've got to think about our audiences and think about how to reach different people, possibly with like networks beyond just the scientific community, to help translate this information in ways that are meaningful to different groups.
Yeah, and you finished with a nice recommendation, saying that Food Packaging Forum was actually trying to do that already, hey, to bring together the different stakeholders.
Exactly. That was really fun as I was working on the talk. I didn't initially, and then as I was working on it, I thought, this is perfect. This is exactly what the Food Packaging Forum is doing. So it's kind of a fun opportunity to advertise for you all in a very legitimate way.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your contribution, and I really enjoyed your talk. It was excellent. So thanks a lot.
It was a privilege.